Amazing weather today, 29 degrees on a Sunday. I've decided that it's time to empty that carrot container. If you remember, we did one recently and we got some good sized carrots out on it, but that container is a lot smaller, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we still get a bit of a result. So let's get straight in, see what we got. I weren't expecting a lot from this container with it only being quite small. But for a start, I think that will do. That's a good sized carrot. And these are all basically planted close together. And that's his next one. So it's looking good. Nice chunky carrots that we can blanch and freeze. I didn't want to leave it much longer with it getting so hot, because carrots will bolt just like anything else. That's his next one. See there's a bunch growing together. I think this is actually quite amazing considering the size. They've all come out really well. There's no damage to them either. That one's got a bit of a bendy root on it, but once again, still a good size. I think this is a small one. Still good enough. We've only took a portion out of this container. Still plenty more to go at. Next two. They're all pretty much uniform. That is even bigger. Got a stubborn one here. Doesn't want to come out. Not bad. I think we're doing really well out of this. I've got nothing to complain about. A few smaller ones, again still perfectly usable. And that is a really nice chunky one. So just a couple more to go, another small one. Brilliant. Really impressed with results. We have got a couple of smallish ones, but the majority are quite big. That's his last one coming out. Well, there you go. Considering the size of that container, that is a great result. Some nice big chunky carrots ready to be blanched and frozen for later use. It's amazing what you can actually grow in such small containers. That is something else that I've set up today. A new salad planter. We've grown those from seed and now they've got to a good size. We've moved them on into the same size planter that we took those carrots out of. So we've got some more fresh mixed lettuce on the way. So there we go, just a quick update for you. I needed to empty that carrot container and I'm glad I did, because they were definitely ready to go. But it never ceases to amaze me what results you can get from such a small area. That container is only that size, so it's only a very small amount of compost. And we got quite a big bunch of carrots out of that little area. So as I said, outside they'll be blanched and froze for later use. And we have got a few more carrots that we've planted and they're well on the way as well. And these ones are going to be long taproot ones. They're Chantenay red cores, so they are supposed to grow short and stubby. But a carrot is a carrot. And I'm very pleased with the way that experiment turned out. And don't forget that this heat is going to carry on for a few days more, so make sure you stay on top of that watering. And if you want to see what else we do as we approach the end of June, then please hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.